Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah. You pick a target, then you smirk. Scroll through the hallway, do your dirt. Laugh in a circle, point and stare. But you flinch when someone really cares. Is it quiet in your chest at night? When the jokes run out, when you kill the light? All that power you pretend you own looks so small when you're all alone. You're a paper thinking on a plastic throne. Big talk, big crowd, but you're still alone, yeah. You swing those words like a heavy fist, but it's your own hurt that you can't resist. Paper thinking, it's a borrowed crown. Build yourself up just to tear hearts down. We see straight through all the tricks you bring. You're paper thin, paper thinking. You're paper thinking. You turn a rumor to a war. Hide your shaking in the roar. Every nickname, every name you twist, just a mirror that you can't admit. Does it echo when you raise your voice? Are you scared to see you had no choice? All that armor made of folded lies falls apart when someone meets your eyes. It's like paper thinking on a plastic throne. Big talk, big crowd, but you're still alone, yeah. You swing those words like a heavy fist, but it's your own hurt that you can't resist. Paper thinking, it's a borrowed crown. Build yourself up just to tear hearts down. We see straight through all the tricks you bring. You're paper thin. One day you'll stand in an empty room, all of your trophies made from wounds. Will you recognize the hurt you caused, or just keep clapping for your own applause? Hey bullet, hear this, this one's for you. This one's for you. You can change the